All right, so if you're selling high ticket products or services and want a smooth automated funnel, HubSpot has all the tools you need. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to build and manage a high ticket sales funnel in HubSpot. Yeah, from leads to closing deals efficiently. First, map out your high ticket sales funnel. Typically, it includes stages like lead, qualified lead, demo consultation, proposal, and closed won. HubSpot lets you customize your deal stages so your funnel matches your sales process perfectly. Next, capture leads using forms, landing pages, or pop-ups. Make sure your forms are optimized for high-ticket leads, fewer fields, clear value proposition, and lead qualification questions. HubSpot lets you score leads automatically. Set up lead scoring rules based on criteria like company size, job title, or previous engagement. High scores help your sales team focus on the best high-ticket prospects. Use workflows to nurture leads with targeted emails, follow-ups, and reminders. For high-ticket sales, personalization is key. So segment your leads and send content relevant to their needs and interests. Integrate HubSpot meetings or calendar tools to schedule demos or consultations automatically. This keeps the sales process smooth and reduces back and forth with high-value prospects. Finally, track your funnel performance. Use HubSpot dashboards to monitor deals, conversion rates, and revenue. Identify bottlenecks and optimize each stage to close more high-ticket deals efficiently. And that's it. That's how you use HubSpot to build a high-ticket sales funnel. From capturing leads and scoring them to nurturing, scheduling demos, and closing deals, your sales process just became a lot more streamlined. All right, that's it for this one. That's how you use HubSpot for a high-ticket sales funnel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in